Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to change the default behavior of your forms. If you go to the Settings menu, way down at the bottom, you're going to have these default options. You can change the form default. If you click on Form Default, the only real option you have here is, do you want your forms to automatically be set to collect email addresses by default? If you turn this on, if you toggle that on, when you create a new form, it will automatically be set to collect user email addresses. You can turn it off for that specific form, but this will make it the default behavior for all of your forms. Or, question defaults. Do you want to make all of the questions for your form required for the user to respond to before they can submit their form? Right? If you turn this on, whenever you create a new form, all of your questions will be required no matter what. Now again, you can change that for that specific form, but these two options will create the default behavior for your new forms so that you don't have to update it every single time you make a new form. The only time you'd have to update it is when you want to change that behavior.